I've had a lot of questions about this particular design and what size. So, you need needle, big fat needle. You need black, white yarn. Plus, if you're an Alabama fan, you're gonna need some type of red or any other color. That's why the little red streaks there. It's because this is Alabama colors. And then here's the lid that I've cut out, and how you decide the size of your lid is by measuring it this way and this way. That's how you get the size of your lid. So your lid is 33 by 33, which means you're gonna count 1 to 33, 1 to 33, 1 to 33, and 1 to 33. So it's 33 by 33, that's your lid, okay? Now this one's different. This, of course, is gonna be 1 to 33, because this is your lid. But now we gotta figure out how long this is. So this is gonna be 1 to 37. So you're gonna go all the way from here, all the way down, and you're gonna get 37. 1, 37, 1, 33. And then how you'll know that it's right is you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares. So 9 of these squares will go this way, and then you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares going this way. You can do solid color, you can do any color, but I wanted to do an Alabama tissue box, roll tide, because I like elephants, so I like Alabama. You gotta have scissors, you gotta have your little plastic canvas sheets. And then how I do the lid is, okay, here is the tissue box. So what I would do normally if I'm doing this size tissue box is I would just cut. But if I'm doing a lid, I'll go ahead and I'll cut this length, and then I'll turn it sideways, line it up, see, line it up really good, and then I know that I'm gonna need to cut this off. And that's how I know I have the right size for my lid. So, and then that's how you get your lid. Once you've cut it, you know that whichever way you lay it on your canvas, it's gonna be the perfect lid. Now on the lid, you're only gonna do 2 rows. So you're only gonna do 2 rows this way, 2 rows this way, 2 rows this way, and 2 rows this way. The center you're gonna cut out. So you're gonna do 2 rows here, 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 and here, and cut it out. So I'm gonna go ahead, and in case you haven't seen the other video that's out there, tutorials, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this really quickly. So you're gonna thread your needle. Got it threaded, shake it out, make sure it doesn't even up because you want the bottom to go. So you're gonna wanna tie a little bit here just so that it doesn't go through. And you're gonna start at an angle. Remember, you never go on the first one unless you're doing a different stitch. But this one, we're gonna go at an angle, and see, it's locked in. I'm gonna pull it, I'm gonna pinch it. So we're gonna pinch it. We're gonna pull it away from the hole just a little bit. And then you're gonna go in the second hole. So now we've gone into the second hole. Then you're gonna go in this hole, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna go right above this one. Then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna go above this one. Okay, so on this pattern, as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to do 4, and then the other color is gonna be in 3. So that means we gotta do 1 more row. So we're gonna go in here, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're gonna go in that 5th one. And then you're gonna say, well, I don't have the other color, so I'm gonna know where to go. You're always gonna go right here. Where this one ends, that's where you're gonna start your second one. So you're gonna go in this hole here. Can you see that? And you're just gonna go 2. And then you're gonna go in this one, and you're gonna go above this one. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to go in this one. And then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. We gotta have the 4th one. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna go here. So now we're matched up, right? And and this is where you're going to put your color. Now you're going to say, well, how am I going to know how to go this way? It's the same technique. You're going to go in here. So you're going to do like this. Because you want your line's going to tell you where your stitch is going to be, either way. So we know that the line is going to start here, because that one's here. So you're going to go right here. And you always go in the one that's next to you. So you know you're going to go in this row, right here. So you're going to go right here. Right? And then you're going to go here, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Oops. Pull out my needle a little bit. There we go. Then you're going to go here, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to end up right here. And then we're going to do one more, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you know you're going to go right there. And like I said, you're only going to do 2 rows. So now I've lined up 2 rows here. Now I've lined up 2 rows here. So now I know that that's where my boundaries is. And I'm going to just keep going up this way until I get to the other side. And remember, you're always going to go in the same row that you've already stitched, and you're going to line it up this way. And that's how it makes sense. Remember, we're going to go in this row because there's already one here, and we're going to go in this row because there's already one here. So we're going to go right there, and you're only going to do the 2. And then the 4. Okay? So let's say we're done. So you're done. So you're just going to run it. It's a little fluffy. Okay. Just checking. It was a little fluffy. All right. So you're going to run it through here. And if you have OCD and you're a little bit of a perfectionist like me, you might want to just slip not all the way until later on. See, snip it where it's a little bit sticking out so you can tell the front from the back. Because until you add the other color, you know, it's kind of hard to tell. Be honest with you. So, and I try to do neat. It's not always, you're not always able to make it look nice on the inside, but nobody's ever going to see it. But I still like to do that. So we're going to get the white, and you're going to thread your needle. So we're going to thread our needle, find the hole, pull it through a little bit, but not all the way. Remember, don't always go to the end. And then you're going to just run it back through. We're going to run it back through here. And then when you get close to the end, you're going to slow down. And then you're going to run it through again. And then you're going to put a little snug. And then you're going to pull a little tight. Now we're going to do the fill-in part. So, you know you're going to start right here, right? Because you don't want to go up here. So we're going to start in the same row as this one. And we're going to fill it in. So now you've picked your second color and you're going to fill it in. There you have it. It's filled in. Then you're just going to jump over here to this one, fill it in. Right? And then we're going to go to this one. Like I said, you can pick any color. And I picked a lot of Alabama stuff is black and white. Kind of this design. I forget the name of what it's called. But it has a really cool, so I don't know how to do that design. So this is my version of the Alabama color. And then I added the red, crimson. Then you just kind of keep going. Then, like I said, you'll go in here and you'll go, oops, you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And it sometimes always gets hung there, and you'll go, this will be 1, 2, 3, and then you'll go in there, and then you'll go in here. 1, and then 2. And now you've completed this one. So you're gonna have 2 rows this way, this way, this way, and this way. So this is what 2 rows would look like. So you'll go ahead and finish this. You can go back to this later and then go across. And when you're done, you just cut out the center. So that's how you do it. So remember, 33 by 33, 33 by 37. And then that's how you complete your design. Run your needle through the back, cut it off, and there you have it. And you'll make 4 sides, because there's 4 sides to the box, and then your lid. So thanks for watching. I appreciate your loyalty. Please give me a thumbs up. And also remember, this is a tutorial for beginners, as if someone who has never ever touched plastic canvas before. If you are a seasoned plastic canvas person, then you can fast forward, or you can just look at the design like me and just do it. But this is for beginners. Remember, they need to learn so that they can become seasoned professional plastic canvas people. So thanks, and I appreciate your loyalty. I absolutely appreciate it. Thumbs up, comments, questions down below, and have a wonderful day.